Hey Kawaii Scout! My name is Jaro of J Daily. So it's been a while. With no further ado, I want to talk about what's in my camera bag. Dahil I'm running out of content in my YouTube channel, I think I should make up for it because I did say nagagawa ako ng what's in my bag for my camera bag. Let's start! I got this camera bag. I got it from eBay for 3,000 peso, and then I had to bid. So I was bidding for 3,200, and then someone was competing over my bid, so it went up to 4,000 peso. This is a vintage Itsumi camera bag. This is from Japan. You can only get it from Japan. I'm not sure if they are selling an Itsumi camera bag here in the Philippines, but if there are, give me a link so then I can link you guys on the description box. So for people who is interested in buying their own, they can get one of these. Mahilig ako thrift shopping then sometimes, but nowadays I just really buy all my clothes from Uniqlo, and I really want to be a minimalist, and I want to cut down the expenses as well. There is actually 2 layers on this camera bag. You'll also get a divider that comes with the bag, so you can separate each items in different what do you call it, cubicle. This is a really cheap ass monopod for my vlogging camera because you cannot really vlog carrying your DSLR kasi sobrang bigat. Baka mamaya after nyan nagkaroon ka na ng muscle kakabuhat mo ng DSLR mo unless your DSLR is lightweight. This is my vlogging camera. It's inside a pouch, inside a bag. Sobra akong OC sa gamit. Kaya everything should be neatly organized. They should have their own compartment. So that's why I like this camera bag. They have their own compartment. This is my vlogging camera. It's really old. It's a Lumix LX7. This is actually good for night shot. And I do not recommend Lumix LX7 for photography. Hindi advisable yung picture niya compared to its video. Pero when it comes to video, when it comes to video, mas okay siya. If you want to produce 3D videos, you can actually shoot in 3D using this. Yeah, pwede siya sa night shot. Pag sobrang dilim, if you're actually vlogging during 8 p.m. or maybe 7 p.m., you can actually use this and then you can still have a good quality video. It's not really noisy compared to other video camera or vlogging camera. The downside is it does not have a flip screen. So when you vlog, you can't really see yourself. And I don't really mind seeing myself kasi wide angle din siya. So for sure, pag tinapat mo lang siya sa tapat mo, kuhang-kuha na yung mukha mo. Na nakakasawa rin kung puro mukha. So I really like taking B-sides, B-rolls. Ayoko ng vlogging camera na sobrang hindi wide angle. Pag hindi siya naka-wide angle, parang sobrang close-up ng mukha mo. Parang awkward. A filter for the light that I'm actually using right now whenever I shoot a video, I use a LED light. This is a filter if you want to get a warm color on your LED light. I use this. A charger for my DSLR. I am using a Canon 600D, which is what I'm using whenever I shoot my videos for YouTube, a sit-down videos. I don't really use my DSLR for vlogging. So this is the charger. I got the charger. This is actually a charger for the battery of the LED light. So when I need to take it out and I don't have any power outlets to plug it in, I use a battery, and this is its charger. And then this one is a charger for my LX7. I don't bring all the cords for my charger. I only use one. But if I know that I'll be shooting 2 days straight, I need to bring 2 of these. Next is ito yung holder ng monopod. I don't really use it. The good thing about this cheap monopod is it has this screw. You need to place it here, and then you can chuck in your phone here on the bracket. I don't really vlog using my phone. In case of emergency, I keep it in the bag. A lens cap for my kit lens that I'm using right now. My favorite piece of lens for beauty shots and portraits. I would always use the 50mm lens because I like all my pictures to have that creamy, soft, bokeh background. This has a good depth of field. My 50mm is actually the cheaper version. It does not have the red ring. So if your lens has a red ring here, those are called prime lens. Those are the premium expensive shit that Canon sells. This is the most affordable one. Next is, this is the battery for my LED. Ginagamit to nung sa mga video camera, yung old one, mga Jurassic Park. I keep a silica gel inside the bag. You always have to keep at least 5 or 4 silica gels inside your camera bag. There's also a pocket right here where I put all the leaflet. This is where I get all my light, which is Photoswella. This video is not sponsored. If you guys want to check out their website, there is a website which is photoswella.com, and this is a a receipt. On the right side pocket, I got a mini storage box here where I keep all the USB. Whenever I need to transfer files from SD card to my USB, I keep a emergency USB. So I got 2 remote controls for my camera. This one does not work anymore. I was gonna return it to Lazada. You guys know that I have horrible experience with Lazada. I never get my orders right. So I got this one from Lazada. It's a Yongnuo digital RC whatever. But unfortunately, it did not work with my camera. So I don't want to waste my time getting a refund because it only cost me like 300 bucks. And I don't want to wait for more days. I really needed another remote control, which is I got from Lazada as well. Thank goodness this one works. I also have another storage case where I keep all my SD card. Next is on the right pouch, a polarizer. Polarizer is what you use if you wanna take videos or take pictures of the water. Pag kinlockwise tilt mo siya on your right or left whenever you're shooting a video or a photo, alam mo yung white? Like sa water, di ba may white? Yung reflection, nagre-reflect yung ilaw ng sun. You can't really see what's inside. So if you use a polarizer, you can see through it. On the left pouch, I got it's a screwdriver, but I'm not sure what's it for. A strap for my LX7 that I got from Daiso. Another strap for my LX7, which is my vloggy camera. And then another USB cable. If ever I need to transfer data from my DSLR to a computer, I use this. I have another bag, but I'm not gonna show you that because those are like studio lights and stuff. I don't really bring it around with me kasi wala naman akong shoot that really needs a studio light. Whenever I get clients, most of them would rent a photo studio already. I mean, meron ng ilaw sa photo studio, so I could just use that. Next is an infrared thingy for that light, and then an infrared remote that you can place on the hot shoe of your camera, and then some more plug, another infrared remote. By the way, when I got this bag, it actually comes with a strap, but I don't really use the strap anymore because I don't like lugging it around because it's too heavy. I carry this bag like this. I don't put it over my shoulder because it's too heavy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!